Hello everyone, welcome back on my YouTube video series where I sell you luxury handbags every Wednesday. So it started all thanks to YouTube, where I sorted the kind of my closet, my personal closet and my personal bag collection. And then you asked for more. So I asked my friends to sell their bags, and then you asked me to sell your bags, and this is where BAM Luxury Store was created. I'm gonna link my website here. I work with my partner and I have so many things to show you today because every Wednesday we have new bag drop day. Let's start. So I have this one that is the Neverfull BB. I had the box, just bag and invoice, which is great. So for this one, we have a great condition and it's quite amazing because I also have for this one the little attached pouch that you can remove undetached. You have some trays on the inside, but it's very, very minor. Otherwise, this is such a fancy and functional bag. I do have the same in MM size. I wear it all the time because this is such a bag. This one is worth 990 euro on my website. I ship worldwide. I already delivered to the US and I include customs and taxes, guys, which is so very easy for you to buy. I ship to the Canada, to Tahiti, Dubai, and anywhere in the world I deliver. Guys, I also have these two that I need to show you, so I'm just adding them right now because I just received them. I'm gonna first show you the Louis Vuitton one. It's a brand new bag from a brand new collection. Box, dust bags, invoice. These come from store directly with one client. And this is a Marini bag in black epi leather from the Murakami collection in black multicolor. Gorgeous bag that you can use in a different way. I'm going to show you. This is a very functional bag, so you can wear it on the strap like this or on the shoulder. You also get another strap that you can detach, of course, allowing you to wear the bag in crossbody. This is super cute. Or something super smart from the brand is to shorten the strap of this bag. You can choose two different sizes. I'm just gonna show you how it looks like this, and let's see. Perfect. And this way you put the bag just on your shoulder a little bit longer. So this is such a functional, cute bag. I do have also the entreprise certificate. You have a little mirror just here with, of course, a protection on it. This is a brand new bag. Price is 2,990 euro from the special collection Murakami. This is sold out everywhere, guys. So this is like the deal of the deal to get the bag before anyone else. I only have one, of course, and this is the first time I get one like this. You have protections everywhere. 2,990 euro. We deliver worldwide, and customs and taxes are included in the price. The other one that I received a few days ago and I just authenticated, this is this baby. So you have the paper bag from the brands. We also have the dust bag. I also have the copies of the invoice from the Hermes Spa. Hermes Spa means the bag went to the aftercare service to get renovated and so on. So this is very, very cool. Also signs of authenticity, because if the bag is not authentic, they do not repair or renovate any bags. So this is good. Voila, this is the Birkin 35 gold color in Courchevel leather. The Courchevel leather is a leather that is no longer produced by Hermes for now, and that looks like an Epsom leather kind of gold hardware. As you can see, we have the protection on the hardware because all the hardware of the bag were changed, so this is quite amazing. It was very well done, renovated. This is a 1997 bag, but went to Hermes for complete renovation. We can see there is like some wrinkles here, but that's kind of it almost. You have some trace here, but it's so well cared for. I'm shocked. Even the corners were redone by Hermes. This is so beautiful. I'm just going to show you also that we have padlock and keys, and all the papers and copies of the invoice are here. Now let's jump into the inside of the bag. You have a pocket here and another one up on the other side. Great interior, some minor trace inside, but almost nothing. This is such a beautiful bag. The color is intemporel. This is the most timeless color of Hermes, kind of. This is a very good size, 35. This is a good everyday size. And the fact that it's no togo shows the bag has a real shape. It doesn't fall off, so this is very good. And the price, guys, And the price is so good. We have a price of 11,790 euro. This is very good. And we ship worldwide, as I was just saying. But this one is so gorgeous. It is available on the website. Contact us if you want it. But be very fast. The last one we got sold in less than 72 hours. So good, happy shopping. Then we continue with the Gucci bag. I have a dust bag and this is a Gucci Jackie bag in a jean and dark brown leather. I also got from my client the strap adjuster, so you can wear this bag as a crossbody. So I don't think like lots of people are actually wearing this bag as a crossbody bag, but actually you can. This is a great news. Otherwise, excellent condition for this bag. The leather parts are so well. You need to open it here by clicking on the opening of the bag, and inside you have a zipper pocket, another pocket here, but otherwise great condition. Concerning the price, I'm just gonna check. The price is 1,340 euro, which is so cool. Let's continue with Chanel. I have a box. I have a dust bag for this one, and let me tell you, this is something I just received. First time in the BAM luxury store history that we received this. This is a compact wallet Chanel 19 from the Maison Chanel. So this is a beautiful one, mauve. I would say it's kind of a light purple. Very great condition. I think corners were redone a little bit, cared at least, but this is all. You have two different sides. So one side here for coin pockets. So you have the cards for this one. And let me show you the rest of it. So freaking cute. You have so many space for cards as well. This is very functional. Price is 549 euro. Then let's talk about the Speedy 35 in black epi leather, silver hardware. I have keys and padlock, little pocket here. Condition is great. Actually, you have some very minor trace of wear, but almost nothing. For this beautiful classic timeless bag, I do have actually the dust bag, and I of course have the invoice for this one, which is great. My client found the invoice again, and it was bought actually in Lyon, which is so nice because I'm from Lyon. Inside is very good. Let me show you actually from closer. You have, I don't know if you're gonna see a lot, but it's great. It's black on black, so I guess not. But this is a great condition. Price is 608 euro, and they are starting releasing them again. This is a 2011 year bag. So it's recent. Next, also a Louis Vuitton with this bag. And this is so cute. This is an accessory pouch in patent leather, yellow patent leather actually. Great condition, not amazing condition, but great. Some trace of wear, but almost nothing. The leather on the strap is gorgeous. You could decide to add a strap to wear it as a crossbody. I do have chains to sell on my website. Look at the details. And the inside is so pretty. I have a paper inside to protect it, but inside is very gorgeous in beige leather. The price for this little cutie is 460 euro, which is, in my opinion, such a cool price and very fair. Okay, next is this Celine beautiful macadam canvas bag. This is a beige canvas and a crossbody, so it's adjustable. You can adjust at your size. Hardware is gold. Well, gold hardware, not real gold. The leather parts are in great condition. Corners a little bit rubbed, but minor. So it's kind of cool. Let's open the bag together. I'm gonna just show you. So inside is actually super nice. You have a zipper pocket there, and inside is very good. Some very little trace of wear, but almost nothing. The strap is actually in gorgeous condition. Price is 340 euro. You can find everything on my website, bamluxury.com, and I will link down below the link. Look, this bag is called the Saint-Jacques. Yes, so I don't know what's the name for Saint-Jacques in English? I don't remember. Well, I will try to find it and put it on the screen. But it's a French name, as like Louis Vuitton is French. Red epi leather bag, very fancy. I would say this is a perfect bag for a wedding or for summer, like with long, colorful dress, very nice outfits. This is so freaking chic. Very gorgeous condition. You have a zipper to close the bag properly. Inside is suede, red suede. I have my price tag here. You have a little pocket. Inside is in good condition. We can see it was a little bit used. It's a vintage. And the price, 615 euro for an excellent condition bag from Louis Vuitton. Also, I have this big toiletry pouch from Louis Vuitton in monogram canvas. Gorgeous condition on the outside. This is a vintage, but wow, the condition is quite insane. And also inside, you have attached to put like perfume, creams, and here you have a pocket. So this is quite good. Price is €290, and this is so easy to wear, and like the zipper works very well. Okay, next we have, finally the sun is coming back. So I'm sorry in advance, the color of the video is gonna change along time. So we have a small wallet, I would say coin pocket from Gucci. I have an invoice just here. Corners are minorly rubbed, almost nothing, and you have so many places here to fit coins, cards, even cash, whatever you want. Price is €335. So this is actually a great price for this small accessories. Okay, so next item is a mini Evelyne TPM size bag in double materials. I would say double color of leather, but full classic leather. And this is Barenia. So I have a full set invoice, dust bag for the strap, dust bag for the bag, and box. This is a bag very classic, easy to wear. As you can see, the color is timeless. The price is very good, €2,680. It does include customs and taxes. Very small types of wear, traces of wear on this type of leather. It's quite usual. Beautiful. Like, I really do love this bag. And that was all. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you also this Sunday for more classic video. Do you prefer vlogs or sit down video? Let me know in the comments. I will try to vlog and document more my journey on YouTube, entrepreneurs, and vlogs, traveling, etc. Hope you will enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.